What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Native Texan Outdoors. Today, me and my boy Ben out here at Guadalupe River State Park in the upper Guadalupe River. We got the kayaks right here. Up here in the upper Guadalupe, we got Guadalupe bass, smallmouth bass, largemouth, all kinds of panfish, and they do stock a little trout. I think they've stocked 1,500 trout in this part of the river. But below the dam in the lower Guadalupe, which is where we'll be tomorrow, that's where they put a lot of trout. They put 21,000 trout in there. They just stocked them 2 days ago. So we're gonna go ahead and get off in this water and let's go have a good time. I'm starting out with got a little 1/8 ounce rooster tail, chrome and white. There he is. There he is. Look at that, first rainbow. Woo, that's a keeper too. Look at that, y'all. First rainbow, slimy little sucker. Look at that, man, that's cool. That's the first trout I've caught in a long time. Look at that. Oh, 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 oh. He almost did it. Look at that, guys. First rainbow trout of the trip. We ain't been out, what, 15 minutes? Gonna put that one on the stringer. Boy, he slammed it. Man, this thing is so slimy, I cannot get a hold of it. Look at that. God, I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm just gonna lip them even though they got teeth. I can't even lip them. Look at that. He does not want to go on that stringer. Raging Rapids. Oh shoot, those kind of are. Yeah. Oh, this is so much fun. Let's make sure I still got my trout. Got some more Raging Rapids. Ooh. Yeah, that's a good one. So we got a class 18 Raging Rapids here. We're trying to figure out how to hit it. That looks log jammed up on this side. I think we're supposed to go down that. Let's see how this goes. Don't go too close to me. So we had to end up getting out and walking the kayaks through that. It was a little too low. Woo, we did it! We did it! Oh my God! Oh my gosh! That's the wildest stuff I've ever been down. I mean, you just had to go. I couldn't stop, no brakes. You're stuck? I had no brakes. I took on some water, but man, that was fun. I'd do that again. I would go do that again. It doesn't look like we're done. Looks like we got one more up here. Oh man, it's another good one. We'll keep the camera facing back at me. Oh man, drop off. Woo! Woo! That went a little crooked. Oh, this is fun stuff. How about I don't even get the fishing pole back out? This is fun. Yeah, I didn't get it on film because it was right here at the boat, but that's my first Guadalupe bass. See the stripes? That's it right there. I got the eyes on it. Choked that little Rebel jerk bait I put on. I just put that on. Come here and look at it. He choked it. That's the Texas state fish. You know that?
Guadalupe bass.
See the stripes on it? There we go. My first Guadalupe bass. That's a good one. I'm gonna go ahead and get a release on it. Come on, let's go. Woohoo! Oh, this is a drop off right here. Oh man, I think I took the roughest way. It's pretty cool. I don't have my big camera out, but there's two axis does. Well, a doe and her fawn, they were just about to cross the river right here. And that's right at 5 miles. About to get the kayaks out. I caught this one rainbow. Got that one rainbow and that one Guadalupe bass. Go ahead and get loaded up. We're gonna have to call it Uber because the truck is 5 miles that way. All right, y'all, so we just got out here. We're on the 4th crossing bridge. We went up to the dam and it said it was a hand launch for kayaks, but you had to, it was a good little drop down to get down to it. So we came over here and paid a little fee to launch in, but up here, it's 1 trout per day, over 18 inches. So we're gonna try to get on them and y'all stay tuned. Try to catch some fish before we had to head out of here. Right there, dude. I'm telling you, every single hit I have is the exact same hit. Well, these trout seem to be a little bit more difficult than I thought they were going to be. Even the bass. We haven't even caught a perch. Sunfish, nothing. I've had some bites, but nothing's actually, I mean, I'm using an 1/8 ounce rooster tail, but I guess they can't get the treble hook in their mouth. Well, y'all, we just got pulled off the water at Lower Guadalupe, the 4th crossing. We had a couple bites, but didn't have anything wanted to eat it too bad. As we were getting off the water, some guys in a guided raft, they pulled up a little, I don't know, what, 8-inch rainbow probably. But we had a good time, came down here. We will definitely be back to do it again. Beautiful down here. down here in the upper Guadalupe and the lower Guadalupe. But if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all go down and hit that thumbs up button and go ahead and click that subscribe button too. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Until next time, y'all have a good one and God bless.